breathe better and save on bills. Quick guide: exhaust, ventilation, fresh air and transfer fans. Stop breathing stale air. Today, the difference between exhaust, ventilation, fresh air and transfer fans and which saves you money. They all move air, but each has a specific purpose, design and cost bracket. In this video, we will break down how they work, where they are used, how much they typically cost, and which one you should choose for your building or HVAC system. Stay tuned until the end. The trans air fan might surprise you, especially when you see its cost. Table of contents about 7 sections. 1. What is an exhaust fan and why you need one? 2. Where to put it? Wall, ceiling, window mounts. 3. What room is it for? Kitchen, bathroom, industrial fans. 4. Key features to look for. 5. The benefits more than just moving air. 6. Breaking down the costs. 7. How to choose the right fan and make it right. An exhaust fan is a simple machine with a very important job. It is a fan, yes, but it is designed specifically to pull air out of a space. Think of it as a one-way street for air. It grabs the old, stale, contaminated air and pushes it outside. This process is called mechanical ventilation. It's not just about comfort, it's about protecting your home and your health. Let me tell you why. When you cook, you create smoke, grease carrying strong smells. When you shower, you create steam, humidity. These things don't just magically disappear. They hang in the air, settle on your walls, get into your cupboards, seep into your insulation. People often underestimate the importance of moving air. A modern airtight home can trap pollutants inside, making indoor air quality worse than outside. Bad smells from pets, garbage need to be removed. An exhaust fan is not a luxury item. It is a critical component of your home system. It actively removes these problems before they build up and cause bigger issues down the road. Where you install an exhaust fan determines the mounting type. The 3 main options are wall, ceiling and window mounted. Your choice depends on your room's layout and the most direct path to vent air outside. Wall mounted fans are a common solution for rooms with an exterior wall. They install directly through it, pulling air straight outside. Installation is straightforward but requires a proper seal and a backdraft damper. Ceiling mounted fans are popular for rooms without an exterior wall. Ductwork runs through an attic or between joists to the outside. Installation is more complex and you must insulate the duct to prevent condensation. Finally, window-mounted fans are an easier, often temporary solution, great for renters. They fit into an open window but can be less effective and may not seal well against weather. Not all exhaust fans are created equal. You have to match the fan to the job, whether it's for a steamy bathroom, a greasy kitchen, or a dusty workshop. For the kitchen, you need a powerhouse range hood to handle smoke, high heat, and grease. These require a metal grease filter and must be ducted to the outside. Improper venting is a serious fire hazard. Bathroom fans are all about controlling humidity from hot showers to prevent mold and water damage. They generally have lower airflow than kitchen fans and are designed to run quieter. Then there are industrial fans for workshops or garages. They move huge volumes of air to handle sawdust, chemical fumes, or intense heat. They're bigger, stronger, and essential for safety in those environments. When choosing an exhaust fan, look past the marketing at 3 key features: how powerful, how loud, and how efficient it is. First, CFM, cubic feet per minute, measures how much air the fan moves. A small bathroom might need 50 CFM, while a larger one needs 100 or more. As a rule, bigger rooms need higher CFM. Noise is measured in zones. The lower the number, the quieter the fan. 1 zone or less is very quiet and worth the extra cost for a bathroom. Also, look for a backdraft damper to keep outside air and pests out. Finally, choose an Energy Star model. They use up to 70% less energy, saving you money over time. Section 5. The benefits: more than just moving air. An exhaust fan does more than get rid of a bad smell. The benefits touch your health and your home's structure. Used correctly, it's a preventative system working silently problems before they start. Number 1. Humidity control, especially in bathrooms. Without a fan, steam condenses on walls, ceilings, and mirrors, creating a breeding ground for mold and mildew, staining paint and grout, triggering allergies and respiratory problems, and even rotting wood framing. A fan pulls humid air out immediately, preventing that damage in the first place. It improves indoor air quality. Cooking releases smoke and fine grease. Products and new materials release VOCs. Even people add CO2. A fan removes contaminants and replaces them with fresh air, reducing headaches, dizziness, and long-term risks. Section 6. Breaking down the costs. When you're planning a project, you have to think about the cost. Prices range from very cheap to quite expensive, but understand what you're paying for. The purchase price is only one part. Add installation and operating cost. A cheap underpowered fan often costs more long-term, higher energy bills, or worse, moisture damage repairs. Basic entry-level fans, small window or low CFM wall fans are affordable but loud and less durable, okay as temporary fixes. Standard bathroom fans are reasonably priced workhorses. Always check CFM and SON. Mid to high-end fans add ultra-quiet performance, higher CFM, better grease filters, and Energy Star efficiency that saves month after month. Fatter installation. Simple replacements can be DIY if you're handy. New installs cutting holes, ducts, wiring. Hire a pro. Don't cut corners. Bad installs cause leaks, drafts, or poor venting. Paying for a pro ensures safety and performance to make it right. Section 7. How to choose the right fan and make it right. So it comes down to a few simple logical steps. Don't get overwhelmed. Focus on your needs and follow a process. Do your homework and you'll get a fan that works, runs quietly, and protects your home. A little planning goes a long way. First, identify the room and its purpose. Small powder room, large master bath with a big shower, or a kitchen where you cook a lot. That tells you if you're removing humidity, odors, or grease and smoke. Next, measure length times width to get square footage and size CFM. Bathrooms, aim for at least 1 CFM per square foot. Kitchens, higher, often tied to stove output. Then check practical constraints. Exterior wall for wall mount or duct through ceiling attic. Plan the shortest, straightest path to the outside. Compare models. CFM and SONE. Bathrooms prioritize low SONE, kitchens prioritize higher CFM, and good grease filters. Always look for Energy Star. Final tip. Buy slightly more powerful than you think you need. An underpowered fan runs constantly. A slightly oversized fan clears air quickly, then turns off. Buy the best quality you can afford and install it correctly to make it right. Now you know about all types of exhaust fans. Welcome back to SR HVAC. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more HVAC and engineering insights. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.